Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ka kinhun menteri ka sorkar MDA kalayalami ki kinhun menteri ban pelong ya ka jinyalang cabinet ya ka bala pelong hasora polo orchid ha ka jinyalam menteri rongba ka jilla men ha ka shpauturik ukala lingkon. Ha ka jinyalang jangka kinhun menteri hasora la shim katu kat ne ki rai ki ba kongsan bha ha ka ba ya day ba ka bor pisa jong executive engineer ha ka tanat ridok ha. Ya ka jing IT ka bor pisa tingka la ai ho executive engineer ya thu ukonrat ki sangma shakilat pathai khubor. Lo ongru ha ka kinhun menteri balarai kam shamnadan menshwa ka bamut bo executive engineer umla ban pendem. Ya ki kam ki barin bat ha ban wat jing menjur man kapor bat ya kanela le kat kum ki kendon. Ha ki wei pat kitnan ha ka ba unong penyaj udon katu kat ne ka jing ai bor ya ka pisa tingka kumta ka ka badon ha ki wei pat kitnan ka jing hikai ka ba kum kata jing ki bor pisa la ai shu unong penyaj ha katnat ridok ha ka ba ana ka benta ki Nongtrei kam sorkar kala rai bana ka benta ki Nongtrei sorkar ki ba sha pen kala ya ki khotmet jong ubriu ngin ai shuti shu hadu hendriu benai na ka benta kata ka jing sumar kerpang ne kata ka jing pen kalamet kerpang banlong kumta ka ne ka long halor ba ki wei pat ki kendon ki badon hangta na ka benta ka shuti ka badon kam ka sorkar menta ka sngi ha ka kinhun menteri kala rai ban ai por hadu hendriu benai ya ki Nongtrei sorkar ki badon ha ka jing pang kala department ban pendam na ka benta ki shakri sorkar ki badang ya lingba ka jingkit ya ki department jong ubriu ha ki por jing shitam ban sumar transplant
in Sora. This is again the intention of the government to take administration closer to the people in terms of also the cabinet moving and having these meetings in different locations. And so with that mindset, we are here today in Sora and having this cabinet meeting, and some very, very important and crucial decisions were taken up in the meeting today. There are some administrative simple decisions, but for the sake of information, I will share all of that also with you. We had today in the cabinet, there is practice in the government where government employees in situations where certain ailments are there, additional leave is given to them depending on the seriousness of the ailment. So in addition to what is there already, today the cabinet has decided that for government servants undergoing transplantation of human organs, we will give an additional leave up to 6 months for that particular operation or that particular transplantation to take place. So this is over and above the other provisions that are there for leave. And these are of course very, very complicated and very specific cases.